Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Unreal Engine 5 and Visual Studio 2022 with the C++ game workload. Once done, open your UE5 project folder, right-click the project and choose Generate Visual Studio Project Files so the solution, SLN, appears. Make sure the Windows SDK and optional components like Clang tools are selected in Visual Studio Installer to avoid missing headers. This first actionable step prepares compilation and debugging integration, so you can build and edit game code without delays. Open the generated SLN in Visual Studio and set the configuration to Development Editor and Platform to Win64. This ensures the editor build with symbols. Next, perform a full build. This compiles engine modules and your game code. If you hit missing includes, add module dependencies in the build. CS file and regenerate project files. Then, configure debugging. Set UE5 editor. EXE as the startup program. Supply command line args if needed, and confirm symbol loading so breakpoints bind. Doing this links the editor and IDE for iterative coding. You iterate by editing C++ in Visual Studio, then compile, use hot reload for small changes, and restart the editor when necessary. When ready to package, run the editor's package project workflow with development or shipping targets. Fix cook and asset errors reported in the log. If things go wrong, consult the build and output windows, verify Visual Studio and Windows SDK versions match Unreal's requirements, and regenerate project files after module edits. This single troubleshooting step, regenerate project files, often resolves linker and missing symbol problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.